wish you a Merry Christmas.
Come on.
We wish you
Give me
a
your
Merry
hand.
Christmas. We
You're not
wish you a Merry
afraid, are you?
Christmas and a Happy New
Come
Year.
here. Just sit right here.
Oh, bring us a figgy
Why don't you
pudding.
sing?
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer.
Go make nice,
Go
Santa.
until we get some. We won't go until we get
Look at Grandma.
some. We won't
Go make
until
nice,
we get
Santa.
some. So bring some right here.
Oh, no, you touch his hand. Go ahead.
Wherever you
Oh, don't be afraid of him.
for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho, 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 ho.
See, he's
Merry
done.
Christmas, everybody.
There. Now go touch his hands. Look at Grandma touches his hand. See? Look at how nice he is. Go fix his belt. Why are you scared? Hey,
What?
why are you afraid?
It's the most
Sing a song. Maddie sings with him.
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer.
You like him?
It's the most wonderful
Go give him a kiss.
time of the year.
Let me see that Santa.
It's the most
Oh boy, is he
wonderful
nice.
time of the year. There'll be
Why are you
much
scared?
mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are
Come
near.
here.
It's the most
Where you going?
wonderful time. Yes, the most
Here, look at Grandma.
wonderful time.
Go ahead. Go see Santa.
Wonderful
Why?
time.
Come here. Why are you afraid of Santa? Huh? He's done? We'll go back and see him. Go ahead. Oh, go give Santa a kiss. You better tell him what you want for Christmas. Tell him that you want a train. Say, I want a train for Christmas, Santa. Huh? Where are you going? Uh-oh, he's singing again. Oh. Dance. Ho, ho, ho. What are you doing over here? Should we put this on here and see what this looks like? Should we look at the train? You like that? Well, Pop has to put that together. Come see this one. And look at Jakey. Look at Jakey in there. See Jake? Say hi, Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Oh. Okay, let's look at the Christmas tree. Is this the train that you like?
Yes.
Oh, how pretty. I see you. What's the name of Grandma's bear? What's the name of the bear? You want to put the bear on?
Yes.
One more time, you say?
Yes.
Go ahead. Go ahead, do the bear. Go ahead.
What's Santa doing?
Santa's sitting over there. Don't you like him?
Yes.
I think you're afraid of him, aren't you? He's not going to get you. Come on, let's go do the John McCain bear. Here, Grandma has to take this off of here. Come on. Go ahead, do the John McCain. One time. You have to dance. Go ahead. Dance. Oh my goodness, that needs batteries. Kiss? Aw, how nice. We'll go head over and see what Santa's doing. Come on, I'll take your hand. Let's go see what Santa's doing. Come on, give Grandma your hand. Why? Why are you afraid of Santa? John McCain bear needs new batteries.